think. What else do we talk
Weather.
about? Kalau yeah, I'll pass it back to you, Roms.
Okay. So yeah, this is our second topic. Okay, wait. I think my camera a little bit blurry.
Yes,
Hold on a second.
it's all good.
All right, there you go. Okay. Introduce the topic. Oke, topik kedua itu adalah cuaca. Jadi orang Indonesia itu sering mulai percakapan dengan hari ini tuh, misalnya nih, contohnya nih. Jadi hari ini nih panas ya, gitu kan? Atau hujan di tempatmu tuh hujan nggak? Gitu kan?
Just
These are apa namanya? Questions about weathers. Okay, about weather. Okay. Ya. Terus boleh next.
yeah. So kayak as you said, misalnya let's try this out with Brother Man again. Gimana cuacanya bro di Jerman?
Cuacanya hari ini dingin.
Dingin, ya cold.
Dingin. Hari ini cuacanya dingin. Tapi tidak terdingin. Tidak dingin banget.
Iya,
Tidak
betul.
dingin banget. Ini bagus, baik-baik aja. Baik-baik aja.
Nice. Yeah, something like that. And in English you would say, misalnya if I'm talking atau ngobrol sama teman atau lagi chatting, I will say like, yo, how's the weather up at your place gitu? Gimana apa cuacanya di sana gitu kan? As I mentioned here. So then, let's say if Brother Man asks me, how's the weather gitu, aku langsung kayak, oh yeah, it's super sunny right now, kayak panas banget gitu. Untuk kalau lagi you get snow too, right, bro? Di Jerman ada salju juga kan di Jerman?
South what?
Salju,
Ada-
snow.
Snow.
Salju. Oke.
Salju.
Salju. Ini dari bahasa Arab juga.
Oh
Salj
really?
Di bahasa Arab.
Salju.
Salju.
Snow?
Salju di bahasa Arab juga. Salju. Ada tapi tahun ini aku tidak pernah melihat salju karena aku sudah belajar bahasa di rumah.
Jadi di rumah gitu seringnya, nggak pernah
Di
keluar.
rumah.
Nggak pernah keluar rumah maksudnya gitu.
Tidak ada.
Ya.
Tahun ini tidak ada. Tidak
Yes,
ada.
ya.
Aku tadi belajar bahasa Indonesia di rumah.
Makes sense.
Aku tidak bisa.
Ya. Ya in Kanada misalnya kita sering bilang, it's like also topik weather tuh juga sering dibahas kalau kita lagi nyapa orang kayak, how's the weather? Atau kita lagi talk about, weather ini parah banget gitu kan. Oh, this weather sucks gitu. It's snowing gitu. It's so bad. Kayak gitu misalnya kalau kamu bicara small talk with someone tentang weather. Yeah, that's kind of one of the things we talk about gitu. Jadi kayak ada berapa hal di sini kan. How's the weather? Is it hot today? This one's super formal, tapi kalau ngobrol sama teman aku langsung kayak, how's the weather? How's the rain gitu kan? Or how's the snow? Is it snow day gitu kan? Kadang kita ada snow day di sini. Gak tau kalau di Indo apa aja yang dipakai bro? Roms, like is it raining kan? Kalau Indo kan weathernya apa ya? Musimnya hanya dua kan, musim
Hujan sama
panas,
kering aja.
musim
Kak.
kering sama musim hujan aja kan.
Dry season.
Okay, let me
rain.
tell you something.
So
Let me
bored.
tell you something. Let me tell you something about Indonesian people.
Okay.
We actually, I mean, apa ya, langka gitu. I mean, like it actually rarely happened. When the moment when we ask about weather condition to our relatives, okay, it's very. I mean, like it's too formal for bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah,
If I'm being
yeah,
honest,
you're
okay?
right.
If I'm being honest, I mean, like for me, if I speak to Sri or Haidar, for example, because we don't really use when we want to know like we want to know like what's up. We don't really use cuacanya bagaimana hari ini, or we don't really use bagaimana cuacanya hari ini atau hari ini panas nggak. It's more of a chit chat, basa-basi. Okay, itu lebih ke basa-basi because like that's Indonesian people. We don't really use is it hot today or is it raining today because we don't really care about that.
Tapi
But you always
seringnya,
say, it's so hot. It's so hot, right?
yeah,
You always
that's
say
what I
that.
was going to
You
say.
only come inside.
Yes,
It's so hot
we
today,
just like
like that.
yeah. I mean, like we
Komen
just
aja.
mumbling. We just give a comment or mumbling about it. Just oh, it's a hot day. But we don't really ask that question
Mhm.
to our friends.
Betul.
Yes,
Okay, we don't
exactly.
really ask that. Gitu. Because kenapa tadi, Sri? You
Oh,
say something?
aku ada orang, jadi lanjut aja.
Oh.
Okay, alright then. Yeah. So we don't really use
I want to
that.
ask something.
Oh yeah, of course.
Oh
What
yeah,
is
yeah.
that?
Keep going, keep going.
Okay. Yo, I mean like let me finish this and then yeah, you can actually ask the question, right? So yeah.
Oops.
So okay. So yeah, as I said before, we don't really use that weather thingy in like it's gonna be like casual conversation, even in non-formal conversation we don't really use that. Of course we do say that hari ini panas ya, we just say that. Okay, we just say that, but we don't really ask questions out of weathers. Because
Because you feel the weather, right?
Yeah.
Why you ask how is the weather?
absolutely yes, it's super
Betul.
hot here.
Yeah. That's
Super
why.
hot.
So
Because
hot.
we feel the same thing, you know.
It
So
is
we don't have
so
to
hot.
asking like,
Right,
Like the
right.
people think, what? You cannot feel or what? You are not human or what? Like,
Yeah.
We
Why you
actually, yeah, I
asking?
mean, like, we actually feel it. We actually feel it. And of course, because we are a country which subtropical countries, and we have like two or three different weathers, and we don't
and
have
time
snow,
zone as well. Time zone.
time zone as well. Yeah, of course, like
Ah.
three different time zones. You might say that is it hot here? Yeah, absolutely, it's hot here, but we don't really talk about it. We don't use the terms of weather in a conversation.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's Indonesia.
Mhm.
Exactly. And
Lebih
it's so interesting because Indonesia is so like wide, right? Like a lot of these islands, you know, they are like in the like not horizontal, you know, this horizontal form. And usually when it's horizontal, the weather is almost the same. When it comes vertical, the weather changes them. You know, like the more horizontal is the land, like Russia, the time changes. You know, the time zone changes. But the more vertical, the weather change. Like Chile, for example, it's like straight. You know,
beda
Iya.
beda tropik itu beda.
Beda tropik, ya. Maksudnya itu kan di garis ekuator ya. So we're having
Equator,
like
the
geology class right now.
Tadi ada yang nanya tadi tuh.
Okay, tadi Faisal, do you have a question, brother?
Yeah, brother.
Yes.
It's
please.
really interesting what you're talking about, Rami. Oh my god.
Menarik ya.
I want to ask about the weather to Man Alkirdi and M Haidar Putra.
Oh ya boleh silakan.
Yeah. You
Ya.
guys if you guys could control the weather for one day, what would you choose? What is your
Jadi pertanyaan ini ya, apa kalau kita bisa pilih satu cuaca dan
Iya.
itu kayak misalnya cuaca yang paling kita suka atau cuaca yang kita mau selama setahun gitu,
Iya.
what would we pick gitu? Apa yang kita pilih gitu?
What is your favorite weather?
Man, you want go first?
so I will be one of the X-Men, right? There is a personality that can control the weather.
my god.
So, and I will help people with this ability. For example, cooking the food for my mother and making the weather better in Africa, like where it's hot, making it colder, and going to maybe other countries where are war and stop the war with this ability, you know?
Betul banget. Stop the war with this ability. I don't think that answers the question, bro.
But like, the question was like, what would you do if you can control the weather, right?
Was that the question,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
was that pick one?
I think.
Yeah.
That's what I
Oh,
understand.
I see. Okay. Jadi kalau
So if one day you can control the weather, right?
misalnya kalau aku bisa control the weather.
Yeah. If you could control the weather for one day, it means like what is your favorite weather?
Itu maksudnya.
so
Yeah.
To make it like for myself, like comfortable for myself, you mean?
Yeah, I think so. Or
Yeah,
what's your
that's right.
favorite weather in
Cold.
general?
I like cold.
Oh really?
You like cold.
Hmm.
Yeah, X what? X-Men? Superhero?
Okay, superhero only for myself. Make it cold.
Ngerti. Kalau aku sih spring is nice. Kayak itu tengah-tengah. It's
Wow.
right where it's still a little bit chilly, but then you're starting to get more warm coming in because the summer is starting to come. So then it's a bit of both. Kalau summer tuh panas banget. Even in Canada ya. Kalau sini kan kering
Uh-huh.
banget. Jadi panas Indo
Waduh.
sama panas Indo sama panas Kanada tuh beda karena di sini tuh apa tuh kering banget kayak kalau panas tuh sampai lidahmu kayak nggak ada air gitu kayak you have to really drink a lot of water kayak it's so hot
Actually?
almost kayak kamu di
Oh my
Mesir
God.
gitu misalnya panasnya tuh kayak hampir di Mesir gitu that's karena apa tuh cuacanya kering banget it's so dry jadi kering dry.
Oh my God.
Tapi kalau winter tuh parah boy kayak -40 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Celsius. Jadi kayak hampir
Alaska.
minus 40 gitu kadang-kadang.
Alaska.
Jadi freezing itu bukan cold lagi, bukan dingin aja itu freezing. Kalau kamu keluar tanpa apa tuh tanpa
Alaska
jaket,
di Rusia, di Rusia. Nah.
terus ya sama-sama. If you go out without a jacket, pasti langsung berdarah itu apa kulit-kulitmu karena kering banget. So you have to put apa tuh krim atau lotion setiap hari. Kalau enggak bahaya. But yeah, that's why I don't like the cold.
No, sorry. I think Alaska is in Canada, right?
No, it's
Siberia is in which one? I know Siberia and
Siberia.
Alaska. Right?
Siberia
Is in
in
Canada, right?
Russia,
Ah.
and then Alaska is in in Canada.
Right.
In Canada, tapi Alaska is US state.
So okay, Alaska is the US, right? Alaska, yes, because this
It's
part
weird.
it was
Yeah.
it
US
was
owns
like
it.
colonized by Russia,
Yeah.
and then the US took over it.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
exactly.
But it's like it's like Alaska's here and then US is here and Canada's here in the middle. Canada di tengah.
Exactly.
Mhm.
Exactly. There is
Yeah.
like very like a small line, between them,
Iya betul banget.
connecting this part, or maybe not.
Mhm.
I don't remember actually.
Exactly. Cool. Let's move on to our last topic because we're a bit running out of time. But
Oh yeah.
small talk about little hobbies. Pass it back to you, Rose.
Okay. Hobbies. All right. So for the third topic. Okay. Oke, kita bakal ngebahas hobi seperti yang udah dimention sama Bro Haidar tadi, guys. Jadi di Indonesia kita itu sering ditanya bukan kayak apa hobimu, tapi biasanya kamu tuh suka ngapain. Oke, atau misalnya tuh ya mungkin kadang kalau formal ya sama orang baru gitu kan, atau sama teman kantor, sama teman kerja, kolega baru di kampus misalnya tuh ya boleh nanya kayak bro, hobimu apa gitu. Itu cara menanyakan hobi dari seseorang. Oke. Boleh di ini, guys? Bro Haidar, slide please.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yes. These are the examples. Kayak di sini questionnya di sini ada what do you like doing? Kamu suka melakukan apa? Dan ini sebenarnya agak jarang dipakai oleh orang Indonesia karena lebih ke terlalu formal gitu kan. Jadi jawabannya tuh I like bla bla bla. Terus sini kosakatanya juga ada di sini. Oke, what's your hobby? Apa hobimu? Nah, ini lumayan dipakai walaupun sebenarnya ini lebih ke lumayan, this is actually like a casual conversation. Okay, this is like a casual conversation. What's your hobby atau apa hobimu? And then this is the answer. My hobby is atau my hobbies are. Terus ada do you like bla 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 bla. Apakah kamu suka misalnya tuh let's say like mancing gitu kan?
Fishing.
Do you like fishing? Okay, yes I do.
Yeah.
Atau yes no no I don't gitu. So yeah,
Maybe maybe we can go back to Brother Man now. Kayak
Yes.
Apa hobimu, brother?
So what's your hobby? Brother Man?
hobby.
Selain belajar bahasa Inggris.
Bahasa Inggris.
Selain belajar bahasa, apa hobimu? What else besides learning language?
Selain, like
What else?
like except okay. So
Yeah.
aku suka bermain pingpong.
Okay, you like to play ping pong? Nice.
Pingpong. Aku sudah bermain pingpong untuk 8 tahun.
Hmm.
8 tahun for 8 years.
Yeah.
Juga aku suka fitness. Aku suka bikin fitness.
Okay,
Di rumah,
kayak
tapi di rumah.
okay, like home workout type of thing. Mhm. Oh, that's fun. Fitness, ping pong, and what was the other one?
And learning languages.
Yeah, learning languages. Nice. Are you good?
Belajar bahasa-bahasa.
Are you good at ping pong? Do you think you can
Fine,
beat
like-
like
Oh,
I don't know.
I can beat you. I
don't
can
know.
beat you, I think.
You think so?
So if you never played table tennis in your life, like easily,
Yeah.
anyone in
obviously.
club can beat you. Anyone.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
maybe 90 years old grandpa can beat you.
Ping pong, table tennis.
Yeah.
Indonesianya apa? Ping pong aja kan, bro?
Ping pong aku dengar.
Pingpong
Ping
bisa
pong
atau
atau-
tenis meja.
Really?
Tenis
meja?
Tenis meja.
Table
Aku
Ini
belum
tennis.
nama
pernah.
yang formal.
Mhm,
Nama
that's
yang
Yeah,
formal.
tenis
the formal
meja.
one.
Tenis
Yeah.
meja.
So actually, when it comes to like tournaments, we do have like national level tournaments, which is PON, Pekan Olahraga Nasional. We don't call it ping pong, we call it tenis meja.
Mm.
Karena
Kalau
olahraga
tenis meja.
nama yang formal.
Yes. tenis meja.
Okay.
I think we rarely used ping pong because like it's kind of like no, it's kind of I think it's just like sounded weird for me. That's my opinion because
Untuk semuanya yang suka tenis meja, tidak suka ping pong. Suka ini nama ping pong. Ini dari bahasa Cina. Ini ping pong. Karena
I
orang
think so.
Cina suka bermain tenis meja.
Like table tennis, like to play table tennis.
They call it
really,
in Chinese.
Yeah,
They call
they're
it-
really good. Like
They are really at first.
I
They are
cannot
first
beat
in the
them.
world.
Yeah, almost
They are
everybody in
first in the world.
China can play table
But actually,
tennis.
I think like Malaysia, Indonesia, you are good in badminton, right?
Ya, Indonesia lebih ke badminton kan kayaknya.
I really like that. I really like
Correct.
watching Indonesian people or like in
Hmm.
tournament, Indonesia competing against like other countries.
Betul. Oh, maybe we give someone an opportunity here kalau ada yang mau try to say apa hobimu gitu, silakan kalau ada yang volunteer.
boleh coba di
Halo, siapa namanya?
Sorry, my name is Wiwin.
Mhm.
My
Itu
hobby
siapa?
traveling. Yeah?
Oke, it's okay.
Oke, lanjut.
Lanjut,
Okay.
lanjut.
My hobby is traveling.
Oh, traveling.
Anda-
Nice.
Oh.
Traveler atau traveling ya?
Traveling, betul tadi. Mhm.
betul traveling betul.
And then my hobby is running sport.
Jogging or running? Jogging ya? Kalau running, jogging boleh sih. Tapi kalau Kanada seringnya
Running, jogging.
lebih jogging sih.
What's the difference?
Running
and jogging.
I don't know. I think running kayak lebih formal
It's
gitu.
quicker, I think.
It's
Running, I think
quicker.
it's quicker than jogging.
Ya, misalnya kalau di Kanada kalau aku bilang tuh hobiku running itu lebih kompetitif gitu. Misalnya. Tapi kalau aku hanya bilang if I just kayak lari untuk casual gitu untuk jaga kesehatan aja tuh lebih ke jogging. Aku bilangnya. Jadi kayak like I would
Okay.
say I like to jog, but I wouldn't say I run,
Yeah, I'm like I think the only difference is that the intensity.
Yeah.
Like not the only intensity, of course, the speed, and also like the purpose. If you wanna like if you are doing running, like if you are running, I mean, like you push your body to its limits.
Betul,
But
betul.
if you are jogging, I mean, like there is like some kind of like patterns, you know, and then you have like apa sih istilahnya itu kayak dia tuh lebih ke ada, aduh bukan mode, kayak ini
Mode?
apa namanya, irama. Kamu like tahu, jadi kan misalnya tuh dia tuh apa,
Lari.
lebih ke gimana sih, jogging itu pokoknya dia berirama itu sambil apa namanya, dan mengatur apa namanya pernapasan, your breathing. Okay, like jogging, you when it comes to jogging, okay, you learn to control your breathing. Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's the
Inhale,
I think that's
outhale.
different. Yeah, inhale and outhale.
Exhale. Exactly.
Yeah, exhale. And then
Ah,
for the running, you just like push your body to its limits. That's
Ya,
different.
betul, betul.
Let's close it.
Oh, these
Alright,
are
then.
pictures, but slide ini bakal kita share later, so you guys can come back to it.
All right then. Well, it looks like
That's so interesting, guys. Ooh.
Okay, don't be shy. Okay, guys, di sini ada sedikit moto sebagai penutup pada malam ini. Jadi ada practice makes perfect, and don't be shy to speak English every day. Okay, and
Don't
thank
be shy.
you and see you
And see you next time.
Mhm.
Okay.
Thank you.
And just one couple things to say, kayak I know kayak ada berapa levels kita di sini kan beda-beda, so don't worry, kayak jangan khawatir kalau selama conversation ini pas kita ngobrol Inggris tuh kurang ngerti, tapi just absorb it gitu, kayak how do I say absorb in Indonesia, bro? Roms, gimana tuh?
Menyerap.
Menyerap aja yang kita obrolan, and then try to understand kayak little bit gitu, dikit-dikit, little bit, and then mungkin kita as long as you continue to listen, kayak as Brother Maan said, kayak as long as you sering mendengar, habis itu sering bercakap juga, practice gitu, ntar lama-lama bakal fluent sendiri gitu.
Jadi biasa.
Ya,
gitu
jadi
ya,
biasa.
bincang.
And then all of our activities lanjut ini akan not memaksa, tapi kayak put you in a place where you kind of have to speak. So we'll have more activities. Kalau yang talk show ini lebih ke listening ya. Jadi you can participate kayak berapa teman tadi, but this is not the place for you to practice kayak speaking gitu. Tapi ntar pas di room chat kita, di grup itu sama di community, we will have kayak berapa aktivitas yang that will make you speak more, sama juga make you listen more juga. But for the talk shows, modalnya seperti ini, you come, listen, try to understand a little bit, participate a little bit, but we'll have more activities moving forward. So yeah, so glad that some of you were able to come. Makasih sudah yang hadir. Semoga hadir lagi untuk kedepannya. And then yeah, stay tuned di group chat itu sama di announcement. Make sure to check that. Not every day, tapi like every day, mungkin cek setiap hari kalau ada aktivitas baru. But there will be more stuff coming up in the next week gitu. But for now, this is our intro to one of our programs. Jadi kayak introduction untuk program kita, kan ada berapa gitu. This is one of them. There's two more that we're gonna introduce in the next couple weeks. So stay tuned. What's stay tuned in Indonesia?
Tetap pantengin.
Iya,
Terus, guys.
stay tuned.
Itu.
Tetap pantengin.
Tetap pantengin.
Iya, stay tuned.
Jangan
Iya,
kemana-mana. Istilahnya itu kan
Iya,
kalau
di-
misalnya nonton TV itu jangan ini kalau datang ini ya ada apa sih sinetron bukan sih, kayak ada ya Allah kok
Iya.
iklan.
Iklan.
Kalau ada iklan jangan jangan di skip,
Jangan di skip.
tetap fokus,
Iya.
perhatiin semuanya. Insya Allah practice
Yang
makes
jelas,
perfect, guys.
thank you so much, Brother Maan. for your
Oh,
time.
thank you as well.
today.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much for
You're welcome.
having us.
We got a
Thank
lot
you.
of insight and knowledge from you. It's
Yeah, of course.
yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you for
Sorry, I
having me
can't
today.
help.
You are such a nice group. Thank you a lot, guys.
No worries.
You're amazing, bro. You're amazing.
Okay.
Thank you
and
so much, brother.
hopefully, yeah, and hopefully for the next voice endeavors, you can actually join us for the next session. Probably like for for the next
Talk show?
probably talk show,
Talk
yeah.
show. Jadi
Atau-
talk show-nya every 2 to 3 weeks. So the next one is
Yes.
gonna be